In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create due dates in Google Sheets. If you manage tasks, projects, or reminders in Sheets, adding due dates that calculate themselves can save time and reduce mistakes. I'll walk you through 3 practical formulas, show you how they behave, and share a few simple tips so your dates display exactly the way you expect. First, the fastest method is a basic date calculation. Make sure you have a valid start date in a cell. For example, in a 1. Dates should be real dates, not text. So if yours looks odd, you can select the cell and choose Format. Number, date to confirm. Then click into the cell where you want the due date and type is equals to a 1 plus 30 and press Enter. This adds 30 calendar days to your start date. Google Sheets treats dates like numbers behind the scenes, so adding 30 moves the date forward by 30 days. If you are setting up a list, you can copy the formula down to apply it for each row. If the result shows a number instead of a date, just format the column as a date so it displays properly. Next, if you only want business days, use the Workday function. In a cell, type is equals to Workday open bracket a 1, 10 close bracket and press Enter. This returns a date that is 10 workdays after the start date, automatically skipping Saturdays and Sundays. It's especially helpful for planning timelines that follow an office schedule. By default, weekends are Saturday and Sunday. And the function can also skip holidays if you've set them up in your sheet. As with the first example, you can copy the formula down for multiple tasks and format the results as dates for a clean, consistent look. Finally, if you need a due date that always stays a set number of days ahead of today, use the dynamic today formula. In any cell, type is equals to today, open bracket close bracket plus 7. This will always display a date 1 week from the current day. Because today updates automatically, your due date shifts forward each day, which makes it great for rolling reminders and weekly check-ins. Keep in mind that because it's dynamic, this date will change as time passes, which is perfect for ongoing dashboards or reminders. That's it. 3 simple, reliable ways to create due dates. Add calendar days, count business days, or keep a rolling date based on today. Try them out. Format your results as dates, and use the one that best fits your workflow. Thanks for watching.